Welcome to Crookston Park. My name is Jean Rapla. I run a company in Brantford.
My name is Jan Chaplin, and this is Courage, and he's a Nubian goat. And this is Rue. She's supposed to be a miniature pinscher.
Hi, I'm Hinson. I'm an interior decorator.
I'm Wilkes. I'm an artist and I go to OCAD University.
And I'm Bracken. I go to Trent University for International Development.
My first memory is walking through the house and everything was falling apart. It was my mom's mission from the day that she bought it that she was going to restore it. As we go up into the attic, this is what the house actually looked like when we first bought it. So, you'll see.
It's obviously super special and it needed to be preserved because there was some question whether it was going to be. And part of the feeling back then was, okay, we will love it, we'll nurture it.
It's a lot of maintenance. Like I work here during the summers. You're always doing something different every day.
It's literally a lifetime project. It will never, ever be done. This is the atrium and it's about 30 feet high. When we were born, my mom loves keeping everything. So she kept all of her baby footprints. This is mine, these are Wilkes's, and Brecken's. All the fireplaces in the house are original to the house. This is our kitchen.
These are some eggs that came from our property. So we'll usually get about, 12 a day. We'll try to sell them and stuff, but it's so nice to have fresh eggs every day.
The other thing is the farm with lots of animals from cattle, alpacas, chickens, goats, of course, and water buffaloes.
This one's Ziggy, and he's the boss. Come on, Courage. Come on.
We had a bunch of babies this winter. One was Courage and another one was his brother. I didn't think that he was actually alive. So I picked him up and I thought, he might be alive. So I tucked him into my coat. He was very cold. He ended up having a very sore knee, and so he's lame. And then he's blind as well. And the reason why we call him Courage is because he just really wanted to live.
People are shocked when they figure out that we didn't grow up with TV or a microwave.
My mom, she definitely wanted to make this a place where we provide for ourselves.
And to be self-sufficient and self-sustainable.
I think that's why people love coming here too, because you would think that someone living in this home would be super materialistic, but you come here and then you're in the dirt, in the mud, and with all these animals, and you don't care what you look like.
There's a certain sense of gratitude that comes with the animals. I mean, when you nurture the animals, they nurture you back.
This property is heaven. The spirit is really high and really positive here.
What I like about this place the most is the feeling that it gives you. So you go through those gates and immediately you just calm.